If you've ever drizzled olive oil on a salad, torn fresh basil over pasta, or savored a simple grilled fish, you're tasting history. Mediterranean cuisine isn't just a trend or a diet. It's an ancient tradition that's quietly revolutionized the way the West eats. Think about it. Just a few decades ago, Western kitchens were all about butter, heavy sauces, and red meat. But then came the Mediterranean wave. Olive oil replacing butter, bright herbs like oregano and rosemary taking center stage, and humble ingredients like tomatoes, chickpeas, and garlic transforming everyday meals. It's not just about flavor. Mediterranean cooking is rooted in balance. Lots of veggies, whole grains, seafood, and a real respect for ingredients. This way of eating has been linked to longevity and heart health, but honestly, it's just plain delicious. The secret? It's all about simplicity and community. Recipes passed down through generations, families gathering around big, sun-soaked tables, food that celebrates the land and the sea. And it's not just Italian or Greek. Think Moroccan tagines, Spanish tapas, Turkish mezes. The entire region has shaped global palates, from the spice routes that carried cinnamon and cumin to the bustling markets where you can still find olives, figs, and fresh cheese. So next time you reach for that bottle of olive oil or sprinkle parsley over your meal, remember, you're part of a delicious legacy that's been flavoring the world for thousands of years. Mediterranean cuisine, it's more than food. It's a way of life.